We're open now.
Thank you.
Sorry. Nagre-reply kasi din sa video ko. Where are we going? It's forest.
Goats.
Hmm?
House.
Where are we going?
This is Sasa.
Supply cow. Sky. Naku.
Oo.
Matatalsikan ba yung ano mo nito?
Malamang.
Ah, ito pala yung nilalakad nila, Bay. Yung nilalakad nilang forest na yan.
Sapikan pala ito.
Dine-develop pa lang. Baka ikaw hindi makaahon di yan.
Kakadkad naman ang gulong.
Aray ko. Kakatakot naman.
Bakit?
Let's go there, kuya dun oh. Sa duyan. Huwag aapak sa putik ha. Baby, sakay.
Happy Father's Day.
Kalo.
Oh, TikTok! TikTok, mama.
Magandang magbike dito. Ang dami nagbabike.
Ah.
Kuya, go there.
Maganda nga dito magbike ma. Kaso si kuya kasi di pa marunong magbike eh. Pag marunong si kuya.
Buti na lang may malapit sa atin na ganito.
Hmm.
Go. Huwag mo kuya, mahulong si Jun, ho. Ito nakakabit dito eh, yun o. Bunso, ikaw na lang mag-isa.
Brave yan si Bunso. Oh, brave oh. Hawa ka manak.
Let's go na.
Mama, ito.
Ba't?
I'm full.
Di parang sen sa Japan, yung pinuntahan nating park. May ganyan.
Para lang sa atin to.
Ang ganda.
Nako, ipagkatapos mag-bike nun, magkakainan na naman.
Yung nabaliktad na yan.
Let me help. Okay. Okay, let me help you. Fire! Ah! Let's go!
Let's go!
Let me take. What's up, my dudes? Did you miss me? I've never been vlog for 2 weeks. Maybe not.
Sila ano eh.
And guys,
Yung babayan tumawag?
I just have an ice cream today because I forgot to vlog. So we're in the church. We buy ice cream earlier. So that's why. And this is my brother. He is so very, very sweet. Right, guys? Do you know, guys, my channel? Look. This is Levy Town. So, guys, we are going home now. I think. We're going home now. That's why we're going home. We're going home.
Ay, nakatulog-share ko loko tong bata na to.
We're going home. And I'm gonna play my marble run.
Ang isipunin niya naman, nakatutok ilong niya.
Look, guys, look. We're in the church. There's a lot of beggars. Wait, guys.